In this tutorial, I want to show you how to convert GPX file into shapefile using ArcGIS. Here I have my GPX file, so I want to convert it to shapefile. So to do that, open ArcMap, then to do the conversion, come to Arc Toolbox, then come to Conversion Tools, and here you can see from GPX. So click on this sign to expand it, and you can see GPX to feature. So click to open the GPX to feature table. Then input GPX file. Click on this icon to navigate to your folder. So I have my GPX file here, and this is it. So click to highlight it and click on open. Then the output feature class, specify where you want to save it by clicking on this button. Then let's just name it states for instance. Then click on save. Then after that, the next thing you have to do is to click on OK. So you can see the process is running background. This will convert it. You can see after conversion, you can see GPX to feature, showing you it is successful. And you can see the features here. So what you can do is to verify. You can right click this layer and open the attributes table, and you can see the attributes of this very feature. So you can see, as for example, you can see the name of each of the feature. So in essence, this is how to convert GPX file to shapefile using ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.